Hello and good evening, everyone. Tonight I'm going to talk about other stock. I'm going to talk about NVEX Novavax company. This company is under the health care sector and its biotechnology and drugs industry. This company, they are specializing on making vaccine. They doing their pipeline, and all their product is about vaccine, a flu vaccine, an RSV, and other type of vaccine. On the last 2 or 3 weeks, they start to get some expectation of a good result of their late stage study of the RSV vaccine in newborns, and that's basically lead the price of this stock to go up within the last month in very good volume. The average volume numbers for this stock within the last 10 days was 20 million, or around like more than or about 20 million shares. So it was a very the numbers of the stocks that trading every day is really acted very well on the stock price. And I always look at the whole chart whenever I want to call any stock, whenever I want to make any type of calling for any stock. I always look to um, I always like actually sorry I always like to look at the whole chart of the stock for 1 year at least, just to get a general view, to look at the down and uptrend, and to look at the volatility of this stock. So as I always keep saying, like, I'm an independent trader, and I'm an uncertified technical analyzer. I'm just saying my own opinion. I'm just sharing my own thought with you all, guys. It's up to you to buy or hold or sell any stocks. It's always up to you. You are the one who will make the decision. So let us go back to what is my call about the MVEX. If you look at the whole chart for 1 year, we can find some weakness point on the chart. It's always very good to look at when this stock is going down and when this stock is also going up. So the price of the stock is really hit hard by on actually, if we look at the chart, is on between March and April. The stock lost like big value from $1.70 to around 72, 73 cents. And then after that, and that's because of the good volume of the stock trading, especially the insider trading actually, and the institutional trading, that they bought so much of the stocks and make the price of the stock going up again. And this is for sure is a good sign for this stock to be in the hold area. So if we go back to my main call for the next 20 days, I I will choose to say this stock is between buy and stronghold area. So when every stock, if you get every stock and what's type of call for every stock, you can say it like it's between strong sell and strong buy. So the top is the strong buy, when it's very strong to buy this stock. There's very high expectation of good return from this stock. We always say it's a strong buy. If it's a in a very downtrend and there is a big expectation of a lose, we usually use or choose like the strong sell call. So for this stock, I can say if the price of stock is going between 175 and 185 cents, again, it's a decent area. It's a decent price to be in. If if you're already in and you already have this stock in your portfolio, I mean, it's very good to hold it for the next 20 days. And my price target for the next 20 days is $2.50. So my call for this stocks is basically is a stronghold, and in some cases when if the price of this stock drop to between 175 and 185, it's gonna be very good to buy and to be in this stock. And it's not I'm not saying I'm the only one saying that, but I'm just choosing a specific date, a specific range, a specific period of time. It's a 20 days from this date. So if we make a fast look on other like other places, like I have my account on tip ranks, and I'm not saying that you have to follow them or you should follow this place or other place or this site or other website. I'm not doing any kind of advertising for anyone. I'm just saying like it's just an example to explain for you guys. So we can see like here in tip ranks they usually choosing the long term of invest. They usually choose the 12 month on any stock they call. So they expecting like a high price for this stock with the next 12 month at $10, and they expecting a low price to be $2 and the average to be $4.83. So this is their expectation, this is their call. Let us back to my call. So my call for the next 20 days is, as I said, and I'm saying it again, sorry to repeat that, just to remind you, it's gonna be a stronghold stock. So if you have the stock already, it's very good to hold it. It's very good to keep it for the next 20 days. And for I think it's gonna move more if the volumes keep up. For sure, we're gonna put our eyes on that. We're gonna make sure we tracking the numbers of the volume. We're tracking the news also, if any news show, because it's really reacting on the stock price. Um, okay, I wish you very good evening and have a good weekend, everyone. And for sure, more stock is coming on the way to be analyzing on the YouTube. Thank you and have a good night, everyone.